Hey guys, Lexi here, and today we're going to be working on a new cosplay. We're going to be working on a cosplay from My Hero Academia. I'm going to be cosplaying Toga, so we're going to be working on her clothes first, and then her wig, and so on and so forth. So I bought some clothes off of Amazon, and we're going to open them together, and I'm going to give you my first impressions on them and my thoughts on them. I didn't want to buy the Toga Cosplay from Amazon because I thought it was overpriced for a cosplay. So I wanted to get clothes and just turn the clothes into the cosplay. So I will show you how I'm going to do that and show you and share my thoughts on it. Sorry. And so let's get started on this. Let's open the boxes first, and I'm hoping it's going to be nice quality. It looked like it was going to be nice. So fingers crossed, and I'm hoping this is going to work for my cosplay. Let's open this up. Okay, so we got this big box here. We're going to open it up. I need to get something. I can only find scissors, so we're going to work with scissors. Aha. We got one half open. There's no good way to do this. Grr. I guess I should take off my jacket. Might help. Okay, so our first thing is her outfit. This is what it looks like. Gonna open up the plastic. Ah! Sorry, I almost dropped it. Actually pretty nice. That's a lot nicer than I expected. I actually like that. It's decent material. I like that. Let's see. And I'll put a link in the description below of the exact one I got. This, my size, I'm 5'7" and like 120 pounds. This is in Asia extra large. So that, my size is an extra large for Asian sizes. I was going to get a medium, but then I read in the description that all of the sizes were different to get a bigger size. And so I'm glad that extra large is what it was. So if you're about my size, then get an extra large. If you're not my size, get something a little smaller if you're smaller than me, and get something like bigger if you're bigger than me. Because this is for me, and I'm kind of small. So let's put this on and see how it looks. Okay, so here's the uniform. I am not disappointed. I am actually quite happy with it. I like it. The only thing is I might change out the material for this ribbon because it's a very shiny, as you can see, very shiny satiny material, and I might change it to something that's not going to be so, like, shiny. That's the only thing I can think is make it less shiny, because whenever I take a picture or something, it's going to look very shiny compared to the rest of my stuff. So I'm going to probably change this one out, but the rest of it, the clothes, it's actually nice quality. I like it. It fits. Sorry, I'm weird. I like it. It's nice material. Oh, I forgot to zip up the side. Oops. Okay, now it fits. Didn't know there was a zipper right here. There was a zipper right here on the side that I forgot to zip up. But I like it. What do you guys think? I will leave it in the description below and you guys can get yourself one if you would like for your Toga cosplay. I'm definitely going to use this. I like it. The only like nitpicky things, which just seems lining up. I mean, that can't always be, you know, perfect, but it's just my little nitpicky stuff. But the hems are nice on here. There's no fraying edges. It's actually pleated nice. It's comfortable. I really like it. I actually genuinely really like it. And I can't wait to like actually cosplay the character and put all this together. It's gonna look cool. But anyway, let's get into the next thing in the box. Our sweater. And gotta take off the tag. So first thoughts, feels nice. Looks like it's gonna fit. I think it's nice. Let me look. Seams look nice. Nothing looks like it's falling apart. It all looks really nice. Let's unbutton it and put it on and see how it looks. Come on, buttons. Don't be mean, buttons. Let's go. Come on, open. Grr. Okay. Then we get these sleeves not to right up. Ah, that looks so bad. Oh my goodness. Okay, how can I make it not look so... Okay. My sleeve! Goodness, these buttons being mean to me. Come on, buttons, button for me. Okay. Come on. Grr. What do you guys think? I like it. I think it's coming together quite well. It's very comfortable. I like it. So I'll be linking all this in the description below so you guys can get it yourself if you like this and would like to get it yourself. I just bought this for myself because I wanted to see how it looked and if it would work. So I think it's going to work. I really like it. The material's really nice. Like I said, the only thing I would change is probably this ribbon. But that would be like the only thing out of this whole thing. I really like everything else. I have one more package that we're gonna open, but this is the clothes. I'll try to move my camera so you can actually like look, so I'm not like jumping the whole time. Because right now I'm standing on my tippy toes trying to get you to be able to look. So let me move the camera around a little bit. Boop boop. I also have the socks. I haven't put those on yet. Let me put those on. They'll probably look better than my Pokemon socks. Grr. Sock rolling. Okay. Pardon the trash on the floor, that's from my box. But what do you guys think? I like it. I think it's nice. Pardon my weirdness. Having fun. I like it. It's all really comfortable. I'm very happy with it. I can move very well. I like it. So let's open our next package. Boop boop. Dun dun. Got some scissors. Open. Got some teeth. Now, camera, let me see. And get it to be nice. Be nice, camera. Thank you. Okay. Got some devil fangs. They're werewolf fangs. I'm gonna use them for Toga because she has like a top set of fangs and a bottom set. So I thought the werewolf ones would be perfect. I will link this in the description below so you can get it as well. I thought it would be really nice. It's supposed to come with 3 little things, mixing powder pieces that are supposed to help it glue to your teeth. I've had Scarecrow before. Excuse me. I've had Scarecrow before. They're a really nice brand and I really like their fangs. I've had them before, but if you run out of the glue, they do not stick very well. I've tried other teeth adhesives and stuff. Did not work. So if you're gonna get these, make sure you use the little cap adhesives when you need them, and when you run out, it may not work anymore. I'm very sorry. But this is nice for the time being. Okay, so here is everything that I got so far for Toga. I got her outfit and her sweater and her teeth and her hair, and I still need to get her contacts, and I need to make her all her like weapons and her neck piece and all that. So look up for that. I will be making all that and I will let you know when I get those out. But right now, this is what we got. We got some clothes, some nice clothes. I will link them in the description below, so if you would like them and want to get them yourself for your Toga cosplay, or maybe you just like this school outfit for one of your other characters, I'll link that description below. Just make sure when you get the sizing, you get something that's like 1 size up, 1 or 2 sizes up from what you are measured, because it goes a little bit smaller. So there, we got that, and our teeth. I'm probably gonna I'm not gonna open these until I get her contacts and stuff, so I can do like full makeup and put the teeth in and do full makeup and the hair, so I can have full cosplay and just have like cosplay test. So that's all that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Be looking out for any of my other Toga videos. If you guys have any video suggestions or anything else you would like to see, please leave that in the comments below, and I will read all your comments and get back to you and try to make those videos possible for you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any more cosplay, hair related, or any other weird things that I do. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!